In this video, we'll recommend you the best robot vacuum for pet hair to buy in 2022. We included the pros and cons of each product, so you can decide before buying the best one. Coming in number 5 of Best Robot Vacuum for Pet Hair 2022 is iRobot Roomba i7 Plus. Best for daily cleaning. The iRobot Roomba i7 Plus was the first robot vacuum with a self-emptying base. Though the base is loud enough to wake your cat from his mid-morning nap, it's also powerful enough to suck out all of the dander and hair collected from your floors. A disposable vacuum bag inside the clean base keeps dust and debris at bay. The Wi-Fi connected iRobot Roomba i7 Plus accurately creates maps of your home's levels and supports area-specific cleaning and no-go zones. The iRobot Home app will even make cleaning recommendations based on the season, such as suggesting more cleaning runs during spring shedding season. At number 4. Neato D9. Best for reach. The Neato D9 provides a solid cleaning performance, scoring a respectable 92.79 overall on tests. It picked up over 87% of dog hair on both hardwood floors and carpet, which places it above the Roomba J7 Plus and the Roomba i3 Plus. It's a relatively quiet and fast operator as well, which makes it all the more ideal. We also like that the dustbin is concealed in the center of the robot, which makes it simple and convenient to access. At number 3. Roborock S4 Max. Best for overall cleaning performance. It should come as no surprise that our top pick for the best robot vacuums is also one of the best at cleaning up after pets. The Wi-Fi Connect Roborock S4 Max has a lot to offer in addition to its pet hair pickup ability. In our review, we found that it quickly created accurate maps on our home's layout, with the ability to store up to 4 maps. It's able to vacuum just one room, multiple rooms, or a whole level on a whim or on a schedule. Plus, the S4 Max can be customized within the Roborock app to make up to 3 cleaning passes in one run. It also supports no-go zones, so you can keep it from bumping into Fido's food bowls. The Roborock S4 Max will increase suction when it detects carpeting, to better remove all the hair from Garfield's favorite afternoon sunspot on the living room rug. Speaking of cats, the S4 Max performed well in tests, too. The vacuum picked up a combined average of 96.38% of litter on carpet and hardwood. Plus, should you find yourself trapped in a chair due to a cat on your lap, you can command the S4 Max to clean via Alexa or Google Assistant. At number 2. iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. Best for avoiding contact with hair and dander. If you're going to drop a lot of bills for a robot vacuum, you want to make sure it'll pick them all up. Luckily, the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus S performance matches its hefty price tag, especially when dealing with pet hair. It picked up 98% of pet hair on average across carpet and hardwood floors, which makes it a close second to the iLife V3S Pro. The Roomba S9 Plus stands out from the pack for its self-emptying clean base, which automatically empties the onboard dustbin when it's full or when it completes a job. This automatic emptying does more than save you some work. It keeps the hair and dander the machine just picked up from re-entering your home when it's time to empty the bin. A disposal bag inside of the base neatly closes up when it's time to remove the full bag. It's a lot better than dumping the robot's dustbin into your kitchen garbage can. But stopping pet hair and dust from recirculating in your home isn't the Roomba S9 Plus S only trick. This Wi-Fi connected robot vacuum can be commanded by its accompanying app, iRobot Home, to clean specific areas of your home, such as the area around the kitchen table, and avoid others. At number 1 of the top 5 best robot vacuum for pet hair 2022 is iLife V3S Pro. Best for budget-friendly cleaning. Who would have thought that one of the best cheap robot vacuums available is also one of the best for tackling pet hair? The inexpensive iLife V3S Pro is light on bells and whistles, but big on keeping your floors free from fur. In fact, it collected 100% of pet fur from hardwood floors and 99% from carpets, which is an almost perfect score. This bump and clean robot sets itself apart with a 3-inch suction opening instead of a brush roll for ingesting debris. Not only does that aid in picking up dog hair, but it also makes maintenance easier since you won't need to spend time removing hair from a brush roll. Thank you for watching the top 5 best robot vacuum for pet hair 2022, and we hope you enjoyed our vacuums buying guide. If you have decided to buy the best one, please look at the description below to get further product information.